I'm standing inside Nirankarachi Rai, which is associated with the three villages of Sattari Taluka, Dabe, Zarme, and Saleli. These are the three villages associated with this sacred grove. Goa has rich tradition of the sacred grove. However, the sacred grove that has been established in the name of Nirankars are always unique in Sattari, and most of the rare endemic species of the vegetation one can come across inside this sacred grove. Today we have visited Nirankarachi Rai of Zarme, where one can see the specimen of ecological, natural, archaeological, historical heritage of Goa. People who are residing presently in Zarme, they migrated from Maharashtra from the village called Tamboli. But once upon a time, in this village, there were aboriginal people. The original settler of the areas today are not known. However, whenever people want to invoke their deity, they will first visit this sacred grove and they perform various rituals in honor of the original settler of this land. Today, when we have visited this area, we came across several signs that tells us the history of the bygone days. One can see the megalithic structures that remember us about the burials of the bygone days. The tree cover, for example, inside this sacred grove are indigenous, and mainly one can see the wild variety of Artocarpus. One can see Saraca indica, lianas are there like the Anteda. So Anteda is a unique species one can see inside this grove, and because of the lush green evergreen species of the tree, there are birds and various elements of the wildlife are there. So it is very pleasing to see that the people through taboos protected this sacred land, and it is a honor for all of the people of Sattari that they have protected this sacred grove.